Hi my lovelies, for today's vlog we are going to unbox two Funko Pops that will definitely take you back to your childhood days. But before that, if you are new to my channel, I upload every Monday and Friday and sometimes Wednesday. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and while you're at it, hit that post notification bell for more updates. With that said, cue the intro. And we are back. We are going to unbox two pops. They are Fred Flintstones and Barney Rubble. They are ad icons from Fruity Pebbles. Wait, ulitin ko. And we are back. We are going to unbox two pops. They are Fred Flintstone and Barney Rubble's ad icons, Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles. Comment down below if you like these cereals because I still love them. Let's unbox Fred first. Okay, it says here, The Flintstones, Fruity Pebbles, a partial picture of Fred Flintstone and Fred Flintstone. This is pop number 119. Okay, at the side, you can see here the fuller picture of Fred Flintstone. And at the back, you can see here Pebble's 50th birthday. I can't believe that the Pebble cereal is that old because they're so yummy. Okay, so let's unbox Fred. I love this so much. It's so cute. Okay, now it's not a bobblehead unlike the other Funko Pops that I previously unboxed. Okay, I love the hair. Okay, I love his mouth. He really looks like Fred Flintstone in the cartoons. He's wearing his orange outfit with his blue tie, his orange caveman outfit, and he's holding his bowl of Fruity Pebbles. One of the awesome thing about this one is Funko used the stone design on the cereal to complete the Flintstone feel. I love it. It's really nice. So let's unbox Barney Rubble. Barney Rubble is Cocoa Pebbles. He's pop number 120, a partial picture of Barney Rubble. It says here, Barney Rubble, the Flintstone, Cocoa Pebbles. Okay, at the side you can see here the fuller picture of Barney Rubbles, and yes, it's the same with the Fred Flintstone back. It says here, Pebble's 50th birthday. So let's unbox Barney Rubbles. Okay, looking at it, loving Barney's blonde hair. His mouth is just like in the cartoons, yes. He's wearing his brown caveman outfit and he's holding his Cocoa Pebbles inside the bowl. Okay, I love it. Side by side, I love these two pops. They are far my favorite ad icons. I guess I just love the Flintstones so much. It brings me back to the little me. I'm so glad that Funko made these pops. So yeah, that's it for my vlog. Comment down below if on what your favorite ad icon Funko Pop. I truly appreciate you so much, guys. Love you all. Stay safe, stay happy, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!